Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We've got one slick Volunteer rolling out of the shop today on our single axle trailer package. This one's going on man Corky. He's got quite the setup here, but hey, you could have quite the setup too. I've actually got one of these bad boys in stock, ready to rock with the stainless steel shelf and the griddle top. Hey, you could be smoking on TMG before Christmas. Not very often you're gonna hear me say that. We got one ready to go. Give us a call. Let's check out Corky's smoker here. Now, there are a couple things that set our TMG Volunteer apart from the pack. Let's check it out. We'll start with the smoke chamber. Smoke chamber is all 1/4 inch plate steel. Now, our firebox is 3/8 steel. So you got an extra thick firebox. On the smoke chamber here, you do have a bottom and top sliding tray. So you got a lot of cook room in this unit. We do put a water pan shelf back here in the back. That way you can set your water pan up here. It doesn't have to go in your cooking grate and take up that valuable cooking space. You do have a drip guard on the door here. TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers, of course. And now every Volunteer does come standard with a fold down stack. So that'll fold down, lock in place right here. That way when you're going down the road, rolling it in and out of your garage, you can do that. Like I said, it is on our single axle trailer package. Now we use independent torsion axles on our smaller trailers like this. Makes for a very smooth ride. It also allows us to build these trailers very narrow. So it's under 5 foot wide, so really easy to roll it in the backyard. It does have a double wheel front jack on it, so real easy to roll around concrete, roll it in and out of your garage. You don't even have to hook up a vehicle to it. If it gets away from you, just take your kid, throw them under the tire there, and that'll be a good chalk for you. Got our standard wire mesh shelf there. Now he did upgrade to our griddle top on top of the firebox. We do cut out our firebox underneath this, so it does get pretty hot. Got a little grease trap right there. We're gonna open that firebox. You can see that 3/8 thick American steel pipe right there. On the back side, on all of our Volunteer trailers, you do get the stainless steel prep top back here, as well as a spare tire. That is included in the Volunteer trailer package. Like I said, guys, we got one of these bad boys in stock. But hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, no matter if it's a backyard cooker on casters, a small trailer package, or a 40-foot long trailer, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.